Good morning, children. Today we'll start with the new lesson of maths, that is fractions. Okay. In this lesson we are going to study about a whole and a half and 1/4 of the whole and 1/3 of the whole. Okay. Today we'll learn a whole and a half and 1/4 of the whole. Okay. First we'll start with a whole. Whole means, children, full. Okay. Whole means full. See here, unbroken piece of object, shape or number is called a whole. Unbroken means we should not break that object or shape or any number, and that is called as whole. Unbroken piece means we should not break that piece or object, shape or any number. Okay. Unbroken piece of object, shape or number is called a whole. Okay. See, for example, here this is an apple. Yes, and this apple is a whole. Here we have not cut this apple into 2 parts or 4 parts. Yes, it is whole one apple. Yes, this is a triangle. Here we have not broken this triangle. Yes, we have not made into 2 parts or 3 parts or 4 parts. Yes, this is a full whole triangle. This is a full triangle. So these type of shapes, numbers or objects are called a whole. Okay. Unbroken piece it should be. Okay. We should not break or tear that object, shape or number. Okay. See, for example, one more example. This is 2. Yes, it is a number. Yes, here we have not broken this number into 2 parts. It is a one whole only. Yes, whole number, that is 2. Okay, it is not broken into 2 parts or 3 parts. It is full one number, a whole number, a whole triangle, a whole apple, a whole set of balls. Here 3 balls are there and each ball is a whole. Okay, full one ball. Okay, and in this set there are 3 balls, so they have written a whole set of balls. Okay, and children, when we cut any object, number or shape into 2 equal parts, then the object, shape or number is said to be half. Okay, see, for example, this is one circle. Okay, this is one whole circle. Okay, if you break this whole into 2 parts, 2 equal parts, see, this is one equal part and this is one equal part, then this circle is said to be half. Okay, because this is a whole and we have break this into 2 parts, so it is half. Okay, or we can say it as 2 equal parts. Okay, see, this one part and this is the second part, so this circle is broken down into 2 equal parts. This is said to be half, or this is 50% and this is 50%. That 50% we have to write in the fraction form. In the fraction form, half is written as 1 divided by 2. Okay, 1 by 2 we say it as, or 1 divided by 2, or 2 equal parts from a whole. This is whole and these are the parts made from that whole. Okay, 1 by 2 means half. Okay, when we cut an object or figure into 2 equal parts, each part is 1/2 of the whole. Okay, 1/2 means 1 cut of 2 equal parts. Okay, 2 equal parts is called half. Okay, from a whole. It is written as 1 by 2. It is read as half. We can say it as 1 by 2 also and half also. 1 by 2 means half. Okay, 1 by 2 is a fraction. In fraction we write 50% or half like this, 1 by 2. A fraction is a part of a whole. Okay, any fraction, it may be any fraction, it should be apart from a whole only. Okay, see for example, this circle is there. If you make this into 4 parts, 4 equal parts, then how many equal parts we have made, children? 4. Yes, but this is a whole. Yes, from the whole we have made 4 equal parts. Yes, so this is written as, whole should be written above, and how many equal parts we have made? 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this. It should be in the form of like this. Okay, fraction should be in the form of 1 by 4, 1 by 3, 1 by 2, 3 by 6, like this. Okay, but it has made from a whole only. It may be a whole number, whole object, or whole shape. Okay, it may be any fraction, but it is just a part of the whole only. It is made from, any fraction is made from a whole number, whole object, or whole shape. Okay, 2 halves make a whole, and if you add these 2 halves, see here, this is circle, and I have cut this into 2 parts, and I have made it 2 equal parts here. Okay, this is one half circle and this is one half circle. Yes, see here, this is one half circle and this is one half circle. If you join these 2 half circles, what it will become, children? A circle. Yes, the meaning of 2 halves make a whole means half plus half is 1, equal to 1. Okay, if you add 2 equal halves, then a whole number comes, a whole object, whole number, or whole shape comes. Okay, now we'll study these examples. CA1 half, that is 1 by 2 of the square is green. See here, this is a square, children. Yes, and they have cut this square into 2 equal parts and made into 2 equal parts. Yes, one part is colored with the green and one part is not color, it is white, so it is a half. Okay, the square is made into half, that is 2 equal parts. Okay, it is a triangle. Here also the triangle is cut into 2 equal parts and they have made a half. Okay, half one is colored and half is not colored. Okay, now we'll see this exercise. See, a whole and a half. Divide these shapes into half. Color one half yellow. Okay, so children, they have given the whole shapes. This is a whole square, this is a whole rectangle, this is a whole square, and this is a whole triangle. Yes, means full triangle. Here they have not cut into 2 or 3 pieces. These are the whole shapes. Yes, these are unbroken whole shapes. Now they have asked us to divide these shapes into half, then color one half with the yellow. What we have to do? We have to divide these shapes into 2 equal parts. That is, we have to divide into half, and one part we have to color with the yellow. So we'll color this. We'll divide first and we'll color. Okay, see, they have given the dots also with the pink dots. They have given with these dots also. We'll divide the shapes. Okay, for this what you have to do? Take the scale and make these shapes into 2 equal parts by joining the dots they have given. Okay, see, now the square is divided into 2 equal parts. This one half and this one half. If you add the half plus half, it will become a whole. Okay, whole shape. Now what we have to do? We have to color one half with the yellow. Take yellow color and color one half with the yellow. Okay, children, use crayons or pencil colors and color. Okay, now one half will color with the yellow. Okay, Now I have colored this square. The 1/2 I have colored with the yellow. The remaining shapes you are going to divide into 2 equal parts by joining the dots given. Okay, and you will color 1/2. Okay, see like this, 1/2 you have to color and 1/2 should be white. Okay, next exercise we'll see. Fill in the box by writing if the object is one whole or half. We have to write here, we have to observe the images given here, shapes given, and we have to write whether it is whole or half. If it is whole we have to write 1, and if it is half then 1/2. Like this half we have to write. See A1 here, this is a circle. It is unbroken. Yes, circle is not made into any parts. Okay, it is a whole shape. So what you will write here? 1. Okay, and the next one is the circle is divided into 2 equal parts and 1/2 they have given here. Yes, it is a part of the circle. Yes, it is a one equal part of circle. Like this, if you join the 2 half circles like this, you will get a one whole. So it is not a whole. So what we'll write here? It is a half circle. And so we have to write here half. Half is written as 1/2. Okay. Now study the C and D examples and write whether it is whole or half. If it is whole, then write 1, and if it is half, write 1/2. Okay. Next exercise, mark the circle under the correct answer. We have to mark the circle here, that is color the circle. If it is whole shape, then we have to circle for whole, and if it is half shape, we have to circle for half. Okay, see A1, this is a ball. Yes, and this is unbroken piece of the ball. It is not broken into pieces, so it is a whole ball. So we have to color this whole circle. Color for whole because it is a whole shape. Okay. Now see this B1, it is a birthday cap. The birthday cap is like a triangle. Yes, and it is a whole triangle only. Here they have not cut this cap or triangle into any equal parts. Okay, so it is a whole number, that is whole shape. So color for whole. Now study these 2 examples and color the parts. Okay. Now we'll see half of the objects in a set. In a one set, they will give some objects, few objects, and we have to make those objects into half. Okay. The set we have make into half. Okay. Not the object. Okay. See, they have given one example. Tina had 4 toffees. She ate half of them. Okay, she had 4 toffees. She ate half of them. To find half of the 4 toffees, you make 2 equal groups. Each group will have 2 toffees. See here, Tina had 4 toffees. Okay, and she ate half of them. Half of them means we have to make these 4 toffees into 2 equal parts. 2 equal parts means half. Okay, see, this one is 1/2 and this one is another half. In one set, 2 chocolate will come. Okay, she ate these 2 chocolates and 2 chocolates remained with her. Okay, so we say half of 4 is 2. Tina ate 2 toffees. Half of 4 is 2. Okay, if you make half into 2 equal parts, then in one half 2 will come and in the other half 2 will come. Okay, and to find the half of the number, we divide by 2. Okay, If we divide by 2, then we'll get half of the any number. Okay, we'll get half of any number if we divide by 2. Okay, see, for example, 4 divided by 2 is equal to 4. Okay, if you divide 4 by 2, you will get 2 answer. 2 2s are 4, like this. Now we'll see the exercise. Color one half of the objects in each set. Find the half of each number. Okay, color one half of objects in each set. Find the half of the each number. We have to find out the first half from each set. Okay, in one set they have given here 2 ice creams, 2 cake ice creams, and 4 balloons, 6 balls, and these are 8 kites. Okay, from this set we have to make 2 equal parts. From the set we have to make 2 equal parts, and one equal part should be colored and the other one we have to keep as it is. Okay, see, A1, half of 2 is dash. See, here they have given 2 cup ice creams here. Yes, we have to divide this or make into 2 equal parts. Inside they have given 2 ice cream. Then if you divide into 2, what answer you will get? If you divide 2 by 2, you will get 1. Yes, half of 2 is 1. You have to divide by 2. If you want to find the half, then we should divide by 2 only. Okay, then divide this, and in one group one ice cream will come, and in the other group another one. Okay, now these are 2 equal parts. This is one half and this is other half. That is, in one half 1 cup ice cream, and in the other half another 1 cup ice cream. Okay, and now we have to color one half, means we have to color here this one ice cream. Okay, color this with crayons or using color pencils. Okay, see here, now one half I have colored. Okay, see, next B1, half of 4. Half of 4 is what? See here, children, 4 balloons are there. In one set 4 balloons are there. We have to make these balloons into 2 equal sets, so that in each group equal number of balloons should be there. Okay, if you divide this 4 by 2, what answer you will get? Divide this 4 by 2. 2 2s are 4. Yes, remainder 0 and answer is 2. Okay, in each group or set of half, 2 balloons will come. Okay, so divide this into equal parts. Okay, in each equal part 2 balloons will come. Here 2 and here 2 balloons. Okay, now we have to color the one half and leave one half as it is. Okay, color these 2 balloons, children, and solve the remaining 2 sums. Now we'll see next exercise. Find the half of each number. Okay, they have given here dots, and also they have given numbers here. We have to divide this number into half. Okay, that is, we have to divide the numbers into 2 equal parts. Half of 10 is what, children? If you divide 10 into 2 equal parts, in each part how many will come? See here 10 dots are there. Yes, and in each box 5 dots are there. Here 5 and here 5. Yes, if you make this 10 into 2 equal parts, then in each part how many will come? 5 will come. Yes, in each part 5 dots will come. Okay, see here 1 2 3 4 5. This is one part. Or else, children, we have to divide this 10 by 2. Okay, if you divide any number by 2, then it will become half. Okay, 2 5s are 10. Answer is 5. That we have to write here, or they have given here directly the answer in one set or in one half how many dots will come. Okay, now see this. Half of 14 is see here total 14 dots are there, and they have made this into two equal parts. In one part how many dots are there? Check. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. So half of 14 is 7, and half of 18 is, check how many dots in each group. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, half of 18 is 9. Okay, and you will solve the remaining 3 sums. Okay, now we'll see 1/4 of the whole now. Children, just now we have studied about half and whole. Whole means it is an unbroken piece. Okay, and half means if any object, number or shape is there, we have to make into 2 equal parts. Okay, and that is called as half. And 1/4 means from a whole we have to make 4 equal parts. From a whole we have to make total 4 equal parts. See here they have given circle. This circle is a whole, and they have broke this circle into 4 equal parts. They have drawn the line and they have made this circle into 4 equal parts. This is 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, 1/4 means, children, 25%. Okay, 1/4 means 25% from 100. Okay, it is just a 25% from 100. If you add such 25 4 times, then you will get 100. See here, if you add, and this 1/4 is written as 1/4. Okay, 1/4 is written as 1/4, and if you add such 1/4 4 times, you will get 1. Okay, see, this is 1/4, this is 1/4, this is 1/4, and this is 1/4. If you add this 1/4, then you will get whole number. Okay, that is 1 you will get, or whole object you will get. See, this is one piece now. This is second, third and fourth. Yes, if you join those all 4 pieces, then you will get one whole circle. Okay, this is also called as 1/4 is also called as quarter. Okay, when a whole is divided into 4 equal parts, each part is called 1/4 of the whole. Okay, it is written as 1/4 and it is read as 1/4. 1/4 or 1/4 also it is read as. Okay, now see the exercise. Color 1/4 of each shape. See, children, they have given a whole circle, whole square, whole rectangle, whole triangle, whole square and whole rectangle once again. Okay, and they have broke those whole shapes into 4 equal parts. See, this is circle, this is one whole circle, this is one whole circle. From this circle they have made into 4 equal parts. This is first part, this is second, third and fourth. Now how to write this? 1/4. Okay, 1/4. 1/4 we have to read. Okay, this is one part, this is second, third and fourth part. Now they have asked color 1/4 of each shape. Color 1/4 of each shape means, children, total 4 equal parts are there. From that we have to color any one part. Okay, now we'll color this one part. Okay, see here, now I have colored 1/4 of the part. Okay, one part we have to color. Okay, and here they have given square, and this square is made into 4 equal parts. Okay, we have to color only any one part. Okay, color any one part from this, and from this, and from these two. Okay, color one part and write here 1/4 and send me. Okay, this means 4 equal parts are there and we have to color only one part. Okay, now we'll see the next exercise. 1/4 of objects in a set. Children, here also they will give a set of objects or numbers. Okay, and we have to make 4 equal parts from those objects or numbers. Okay, we have to make 4 equal parts or groups from the object. Okay, see here we can also divide total number of objects into 1/4. For example, Minty had 4 balls. He gave 1/4 of the balls to his friend Timmy. It means he gave 1 ball. We divide 4 balls into 4 equal groups. See here children, total he had 4 balls. From this 1/4 of the ball he has given to his friend. 1/4 means children 1/4. Okay, in one set we have to make 4 groups, then it will become 1/4. Okay, see a total number of balls here 4, so we have to make these balls into 4 equal groups, and in each group 1 ball will come. 1/4 means in each group 1 ball will come, and that ball he has given to his friend. So 1/4 of 4 is 1. Okay, here they have divided or made into 4 groups. This is 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, and this is 1/4. Total will become 1 group or 1 set. Okay, and in each set 1 ball will come. Okay, now this also we can do it by using division method. See here, total balls are 4, and to find out 1/4 we have to divide it by 4. Okay, and to find out half, what we have to do, we have to divide it by 2. Like that only 1/4. To find out 1/4 of the object we have to divide by 4. Okay, if you divide 4 by 4 we'll get the answer 1. 4 ones are 4. Yes, so the answer is 1. To find out 1/4 of the object we can divide the number by 4. Okay, now we'll see the exercise. Circle 1/4 of the objects in each set. Write the answer in the box. See here, in one set they have given balls. Okay, count the balls children. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 balls they have given. Now we have to make this into 4 equal part. Okay, or 4 equal groups. From these 8 balls we have to divide these into 4 equal groups, and in each group equal number of balls should be there. Okay, now let's make the 4 groups here. If you divide 8 by 4 you will get the answer. Okay, 4 2s are 8. Okay, total 8 balls are there in one set, and we have to make 4 equal parts. If you make 4 equal parts, then 2 balls will come into each group. We have to make here 2 set. Sorry, we have to make 4 set. So 4 groups we have to make, and in each group or in each set 2 balls will come. Now divide this into, now in each set 2 balls are there. See, here 2, here 2, here 2, and here 2. This is first set, this is second set, this is third set, and this is fourth set. 4 means 1/4. Okay, so write here 2. Okay, or else you can count and divide the balls also instead of doing this. Okay, but this is the easiest method to find out the fractions. Now the B1 you will solve and send. Next, see practice sums. Write 1/4 of each number. We have to divide the number into 4 equal parts here. 1/4 of 4 is what, children? See, a total 4 dots are there, and we have to make 4 groups. In each group, equal number of dots should be there. For that, what we have to do? We have to divide the number by 4. We have to divide this 4 by 4. Then we'll get the answer. If you divide 4 by 4, you'll get the answer 1. In one set or group, 1 dot will come. See, a total 4 dots and 4 groups, and in each group 1 dot will come. That we have to write here. Now see this one, 1/4 of 20. Total 20 dots are there, and we have to make 4 groups here from those. Okay, and in each group equal number of dots should be there, and count the dots in the each group. See, a one group, this is second group, first, second, third and fourth group. They have made into 4 equal groups, and in each group they have put equal number of dots. See here, in one group 5 dots are there, in the second group 5, third 5, and in the fourth also 5 dots are there. Now we have to write in each group how many dots are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That 5 we have to write here, or else you can divide this 20 by 4. If you divide 20 by 4, what answer you will get? 4 5s are 20. Subtract the numbers 0. So the answer or quotient is 5. That you are going to write here. Okay. Solve the remaining 2 sums and send. Okay. Thank you.